Oh, it's cold out there tonight. That was me just feeding the pony. Well, I'd like to thank Andy Emerson for the nomination. I thought I was going to get away with not having to do this, but I'd like to thank my dad for Lenny's best pair of briefs. I reckon I fill them better than you ever will, but I'm sure Mum won't miss them for one night. So here goes. I've got the pathway to the bathroom clear, so I can have a good spew after this. Brain freeze. Right, I'd like to nominate Michael Longton, Caitlin Foster and Bobby DL. You've got 24-hour guys, and don't let us down, don't pussy out.